Welcome to our first tutorial on our record books for Linn County 4-H. We have had a major revamp of our record book process this year and are really excited to share with everyone our new forms. So, why should you complete a record book? First of all, there are awards that are available for our members. We'll discuss those awards in a little bit. Secondly, there are scholarships available for our senior 4-H members. There are senior-specific awards and scholarships available. In addition, for our high school members, you can apply for state record book awards. It also gives an accurate picture of past experiences, and it's a keepsake for you to have for years to come. So what exactly happens with your record book? First off, it needs to be created by you, the 4-H'er. Not by mom, dad, aunt, uncle, brother, or sister. Once you've completed your record book, you can go ahead and drop it off at the Extension office by September 15th. It will then be judged by different volunteers. Our livestock awards will be judged by livestock committee members, and the rest of our awards will be judged by our youth programs committee and additional volunteers. Awards will be assigned to qualified projects, and then they will be handed out at our Fall Awards banquet. What kind of award can you receive? So we have several different awards available, and we're going to discuss those right now. First off, our Outstanding First Year Award. So this is for anyone who completed their first year in 4-H, and this is for our 4th grade members and above. So you needed to attend at least half of your club meetings, have given a presentation or working exhibit, and this can be a presentation to your 4-H club, a school, class presentation, or for any other organization you were involved in. A working exhibit would have been needed to be completed at county fair. Next, you will need to complete project records for at least 2 projects, including 2 goals for each project. That number 2 is going to be really important and will be a reoccurring theme. So make sure you have at least 2 projects and 2 goals for each of your project area. And you also need to have taken an active role in 4-H. Now what this means is that you were involved in your 4-H club, potentially the county level, and multi-county events as well. So what exactly is a project award criteria? So any project area can receive an award. Now, when we talk about project area, what we're talking about is the entire area that your exhibits fall in. So food and nutrition, woodworking, sewing, sheep, beef, poultry, horse, those are your project areas. The exhibit is what came to county fair. So if you have the project area food nutrition and you brought cookies and brownies to fair, your exhibit would be cookies and another exhibit would be brownies. So we're talking about the project area. And you can apply for up to 4 project awards per year, and you have to have been in the project for at least 2 years to be eligible. And then there's also some additional project requirements that we'll discuss later. So those 2 years do not have to be back to back. You could be in a project area in 4th grade and not again until 8th grade, and you would still qualify. How many times can you receive a project award? You can receive it once as a junior, once as an intermediate, and once as a senior. So a total of 3 times for each project area. There are also senior-specific awards. There are 4 here in Linn County. We have the 4-H Exarban Award, the Danforth I Dare You Leadership Award, Achievement, and 4-H Spirit. A letter of recommendation is required for the senior awards, and when you fill out your nomination form, you have to check these off that you are applying for them as well. The specific requirements for each of these individual awards can be found on our record-keeping website, which I will show you in a little bit. If you have all your project awards, can you still apply? Or should you still apply? The answer is absolutely yes. The reason is that if you have done a good job on your record book, but you're not eligible for a specific project award, you can still earn a merit award. And this book will also be a wonderful record when you're applying for college and college scholarships if you keep it up yearly. So I've talked about the 4-H award ceremony. So what exactly is the award ceremony? So this ceremony happens in the fall for our record book awards. And the award is given based on your record book. It's not an award based on the project or the ribbon that you received at county fair. Really, what you are being judged on is your record keeping skills and how well that you completed your record book.